Hey guys, welcome to my channel Cards and Stuffs. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made first two pages of this mini album. So let's get started. Take two cardboards of 6 into 6 inches and one of 2 into 6 inches. Now take a black chart paper of 23 into 38 centimeter and cover it as shown. Leave a little space between each cardboard so it is easy to fold. Now cover the base as shown. Take a black paper of 8 into 15.2 cm to cover the middle part of the base. Now slightly fold to make a crease. Take two strips of 14 into 5 and 14 into 3 centimeters. Mark 1 centimeters from each ends on both the strips. Now score and fold the lines. Take 3 cm strip and paste it in the middle of 5 cm strip. Now attach this strip in the middle of the base. Take 4 sheets of 14 into 14 cm and join them as shown. Take a strip of 14 into 4 cm. Cut the fringes leaving 1 cm on the top. I have taken total 5 number of strips. I have also taken this 6 into 8 cm paper tags. Now attach the strips as shown. Apply glue only on sides of the third and second strip. Cut the little part of the first strip so that the tags can go inside easily as shown. Mark 1 centimeter from each end and fold the line. Now mark ½ inch from straight side and fold the line. Paste it as shown. Take 4 pieces of 7 into 7 centimeter paper. Take a ribbon and paste these squares on it, leaving some space between each of them. I'm having a tag saying "pull me up", so I'm pasting it on the top of ribbon. Extra ribbon in bottom, so it is easy to paste it on the paper. Attach it with the help of cello tape as shown. Now fold all the cards alternately and put it inside the pocket. You can also attach an extra card here. For decoration, I have used these glitter balloons. Decorated it with the shaker card and a birthday tag. You can use whatever you want, and if you want tutorial of any shaker card, do let me know in the comment section below. And thanks for watching.